So another slow day for Tesla, and you guys know that in the last video we did, we talked about these two smart money levels that we have heading into earnings. We're talking about if price breaks through this smart money level of 220, that there's a very high chance that it will move its way down about 10% to $200. So far, price has actually held this smart money zone. Now, we've just been consolidating since the robotaxi event. For basically the past 7 days, price has traded between a 2% and even at lowest 4% range. Now, for those of you who are bullish, I do believe that that next move to the upside will be back up to 230. Best case $240. But looking at this market bias, you're going to see that if price can push through this gray resistance level, the market bias should switch back to green, and we could see a potential continuation move back up to 230, 234, or $240. The $240 level is what really worries me, because in most cases, after a drastic sell-off, price will continue its way up before selling off once again. Now, I plan to swing my calls through earnings, so I don't plan to do anything different. If we get a sell-off after earnings, then that's something that I'm willing to deal with because I understand that that's what I'm risking. The main thing that I'm watching for the next couple of weeks, because my calls expire in 2026, I have more than enough time, but the major thing I'm watching is this weekly market bias. If price breaks under 200, holds under 200, then I'm 100% closing out my calls. I'm planning to do one more average down on these calls right at 200, maybe even $195, which is why I'm being a little loose right now with the position that I currently have. The one thing I will say is that we have not had a lot of unusual options activity, and overall bulls have not been stepping in to save this. And so I do think, unfortunately, the best case we're going to see in the next couple of days is a move back up to 250. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description.